Hello, those moving team. My name is Viviana Olaya. Welcome to this video. Today I want to share with you some information that you can actually use to increase the traffic to your website, attract more customers, and grow your company. So let's start with your homepage. I then will cover the Google Business Profile and then your citations. So I'm sorry, backlinks. So let's get into this. First of all, let me say that you have the click to call button over here, the get quote. This quote section over here is really cool. It's built in within your website, so you are not only having the contact details, but you're already giving them an estimate. And then you have a brief intro of the company. Then you have action buttons throughout the front page, and then links to the different services that you provide, reasons why people should work with you, testimonials and review, and then location and contact details. So it is actually at a very well laid out homepage. In terms of the amount of content, it has 559 words, and content is important because, first of all, Google likes to see content because it's through content that Google is able to understand what the websites are about. Now, to be optimized for Google, you want to have between 1,500 and 2,000 words. And because through content is that you are able to push through more relevant buyer intent keywords, which is basically what people search for when they want to buy a product or a service. Now, if we come here um, to one of your competitors, I can see, excuse me for that, you can see here that these guys have 901 words, and the low budget movers, they have 1,616 words. So it's an opportunity there for you just to beat them out in terms of content, and just making sure that you not only beat them out, but you have more relevant buyer intent keywords within it. I came here to the Google search and I type in Movers Phoenix. The first section that you see is the Google ads, which are really good at driving traffic, but they can be very expensive if they're not done correctly. But the benefit is that you get leads immediately, right? Then you have the Google Maps. And in this section, to rank at the top, you need optimize and geotag pictures. You need reviews. Google wants to see that you are interacting with your customers. And you also need to be listed on directories such as Yellow Pages, Yelp, all of those, and the name, address, and phone number in those directories need to match those in your Google Business Profile so that Google can verify those details, and then you can grab one of these top positions. This section alone is driving 30 to 40% of the traffic, so it's having a massive impact on businesses. The third section is the Google Organic Search. So you first need a website that is safe, responsive, and that has the right content so that Google is able to find it. And then you need something that we call backlinks. So I use a tool called Ahrefs, and right now I am looking at the back end of your website, and I can see that there are 164 external websites directing traffic to your website through 1,750 backlinks. And a backlink is exactly that, a link in another website that is pointing to your website. If I have a look at these guys, 2 Men and a Truck, these guys have the landing page for Phoenix, 31 external websites directing traffic through 133 backlinks, and low budget movers. These guys have 213 external websites directing traffic through 832 backlinks. So just have a look at, pay attention to that backlink profile just to make sure that you are not only getting more backlinks, but you get quality backlinks. And those are the ones that are sitting on websites that are related to the services and to the industry that you operate in, so that Google can verify this, and then you can get extra points with them. Because in reality, what Google wants is that Google wants to provide the most relevant result to its users. And one of the mechanisms that Google has to do this is through backlinks. Think about it like a popularity contest. And then the website that is going to win that contest is the one that is going to have the good quality and the most powerful backlinks. Now, the other section that I wanted to share with you is the organic keywords. You are being found for 359 organic keywords, and in this view, I can see what those keywords are. The search volume is the number of times these keywords are searched for per month, and the position is in which position your website is appearing for those particular keywords. So you can see that you are ranking at the top, first position for your brand, which is makes sense. But then when we start looking at buyer intent keywords, moving as company Scottsdale, search volume 600, you are in position 12. And then when we actually search for Phoenix, Moving Companies Phoenix has a search volume of 1600 and you're in position 27, 24, 21, 22. If I have a look at Two Men and a Track, for example, these guys are being found for 244 organic keywords. And I can see that because they're on the first position for Moving Companies Phoenix, they were able to get 596 visits. It's an estimate, 596 visits to its website. Movers Phoenix, first position, they were able to get 294 visits to their website. So basically what you want is that you want to identify what are those keywords with the highest search volume to include them in the content of your website, and then build that backlink profile so that you can actually rank at the top of the Google organic search, because it means that your website is going to be in front of more potential customers more often, and then a percentage of those are going to end up in your website, another percentage are going to call you, and then another percentage, depending on your closing rate, you will be able to convert as new customers. So imagine having a portion of the traffic that these guys are getting on their website. This is how traffic translates into the growth of your company. So I hope that you like this video. Please feel free to use this information and please don't forget to give me feedback. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.